cache in your Rednote app in order to create more space for your device, or in order to see that the Rednote app functions smoothly. Open the app. Then at the bottom you're going to see 4 icons. The first icon is the home icon, then we have the video icon, the message icon, and the me icon. Go ahead and tap on the fourth icon, which is the me icon, and then at the top you're going to see the settings icon, which is a gear code. Tap on it. Now when it opens up, you're going to see the option clear cache. Currently we have 491.37 MB, which is the total MB size that this app occupies, including the cache. So we're going to tap on it to locate the cache and clear it off. Okay, so you can see that the cache is just 2.02 MB, and that's because I cleared it earlier on. At the top we have 491.35. The actual cache is 2.02 MB, so yours might be even larger than this. Now to clear it off, you're going to see this red icon at the top. You go ahead and tap on it in order to clear the cache. So let's tap on it. Okay, so can you see that the cache has been cleared and we now have 0 bytes. So that's how you clear the cache in the Rednote app. If you got value in this video,